Really quick video here with the Saturn View project, 2004 Saturn. I just got its new wheels on. These are the hybrid Saturn wheels. Also show up on select Equinoxes and Captivas. Anyway, they're polished aluminum and then clear coated over. Well, these were horribly curb rashed, so I went through and cleaned them up and then dipped them with the color called Brass Monkey. I thought it would be better than just all black. Give them a little bit of contrast from the tire itself. Nothing worse than having a wheel that blends in with the tire to such an extent that it gets lost. So I coated, did the 4 tack coats, and then by count it was 9 heavy coats, thereabouts. There's not a lot to these wheels. They're only 17s and they're pretty thin spoke and quite airy, so the coverage was pretty good. I didn't go into the barrel. I painted them while they were off. So there you go. We'll see how the coating holds up. Only issues with them were my inexperience with the coating. It sprays a lot different than standard PlastiDip, and it's easy to run it when you're trying to spray because you want to get into the spokes, and of course as you're spraying you're hitting here, you're hitting there, and then when you go back and cover here and cover here, you end up with wet areas that get too wet here. So what I found by the last spraying, I should say the last few coats, what I discovered is if I went through and started this way and came down, or came in this way and came down and swept over, so that I was intentionally covering this and then coming down, sweeping up, covering this, and then filling in between, and then coming back here while all this was evenly wet. Just paying a little bit more attention to my overlaps, because these were the areas I was having trouble with runs due to getting too much coverage at once. So just a little tip for any of y'all. But again, this is Brass Monkey. We'll see how it holds up going on the interstate today for its first drive with the new wheels. All right, take care, y'all.